Hi guys, it's me Anne, and I'm coming to you with another video. This video is a little different and we've been all waiting for this moment. So here we go. It is my semi-empty apartment tour. We actually moved the stuff in yesterday. So fortunately, see, it's not empty, but it's not set up, so you'll get the gist of it. Okay? I know. It's crazy. So when you walk in, to your left is the kitchen area. This is leaving, that's why it's like that. So yeah. And then when you stand here, this is the living room area. And this is where the dining area is going to be. And then of course that's outside. This right here is going to be my studio / beauty room. The blue stuff is on there because I'm going to paint it white. I know you're probably like, isn't it white? No, it's not. It's like a grayish color, and I just want this to be completely white. Going to go above all the mess. So when you walk, there we go. You walk down this hallway right here. There is a closet. I only had one closet in my other place, and it was painful. Okay. Then when you come in here, this is going to be the office area. This too is taped up because it's going to be painted. I'm not in charge of this room. So I guess I'll have to show you guys when it's done, because that's when I'll see it my darn self. And then, okay, he has to sit. And then this is the guest bathroom, I guess you can call it. I like this mirror. It's just so tall. You can only catch like some of my face, but I like it nonetheless. This is going to be my silver themed bathroom. So the curtains and stuff that you guys saw in the first bathroom at my old place that you liked, they're gonna go in here because I just can't get rid of them. Okay, and then when we walk in here, this is my bedroom. So you have the whole thing. We have the 2 closets in here, which is great for me. I have to like skip over stuff. There's tape on the wall here too because it's also going to be painted. Okay. And then this is my bathroom. I taped it up because I was going to paint it. Yeah, and I still am, because now that I'm looking at the camera, you see this is beige and then this is like a grayish color. So I want to paint the wall to kind of be closer to the color of the tile, like in the family, so that it kind of like blends a little better. But if you know me, then you know that I love neutral. So this is right up my alley. And this thing right here is going to be changed because I don't like it. And I'm so short, I need the mirror to come all the way like down to here like the other one. So that is basically it, because as you see, like all the stuff has kind of been moved in, but I still have to kind of like put everything, not kind of, but I still have to put everything in place, and then I have to get my new couches and all that stuff and set up my studio / beauty room, and of course my office. If you guys want to see like a tour of the office and the studio room, click the thumbs up and let me know. But new content is coming very soon, now that I actually have the space and like a place that I like, that I can actually get things done in. So I'll see you guys in another one. Bye.